Good morning students, this is Lakshman, lecturer in physics, and today we are going to discuss about the couple acting on a bar magnet. So first we will try to understand the diagram here. So consider a bar magnet of length 12, pole strength small m and magnetic moment capital M. It is suspended in a uniform magnetic field at an angle theta. And assume that the strength of the magnetic field is capital B. Now this bar magnet is making an angle theta with the magnetic field, external magnetic field. Now that external magnetic field is trying to rotate this bar magnet into its direction. So there are some two forces acting on the bar magnet, and the two forces are trying to rotate the bar magnet into the direction of the external magnetic field. So first here assume that this side we are having the south pole, external magnetic field. So this side we are having the north pole here. So this north pole is attracted towards the south pole. So that is indicated by this orange color arrow. And here if you are observing this side, assume that this side we are having the north pole of the external magnetic field. So the south pole of the bar magnet is attracted towards this north pole. So this arrow is indicating the force in the downward direction. And the force acting on this bar magnet is given by the formula F is equal to mb. This F is equal to mb we are getting according to the definition of the magnetic field strength, that is B is equal to F by m. From that you are getting F equal to mb. And if you are observing these two forces they are equal, opposite, moreover parallel to each other. So these two forces constitute a couple. So this couple is trying to rotate the bar magnet and bring the bar magnet into the direction of the external magnetic field. And now the general formula for the couple acting on the bar magnet is, that is nothing but the couple is equal to force into perpendicular distance. Now here couple C is equal to force is indicated as F, and the perpendicular distance between the two forces in the diagram is nothing but SA. So we are writing it as SA. Now our intention is to calculate this SA value. So for that consider the triangle SAN. If this is the angle theta, for this becomes the opposite side and this becomes the hypotenuse. So here we are writing for sin theta. So sin theta is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. So we are writing it as sin theta is equal to, we are writing it as SA by SN. We are writing it as SA by SN. From that we are getting SA is equal to SN into sin theta. But already we know that SN is nothing but the distance between the south pole and the north pole of a bar magnet, that is nothing but 2L. So here we are substituting SA is equal to 2L into sin theta, and this second equation we are substituting in the first equation. So for that we are getting C is equal to mb into 2L into sin theta. Just rearranging the terms, C is equal to 2L into m into b into sin theta. But already we know that 2L into small m is nothing but capital M. It is nothing but magnetic moment. Now here substituting that we are getting C is equal to capital M capital B into sin theta. And here this is the formula for the couple acting on a bar magnet. And in this, if you want, you can substitute the conditions also. That is, if at all the angle theta equal to 0 degrees, then couple is equal to 0. And in this, if theta is equal to 90 degrees, then the couple becomes C is equal to mb. That will be the maximum couple that is acting on the bar magnet. Thank you.